This is as close to a conversation pit as you can get in a fifth wheel. This is the 2025 Jayco North Point 381 CKRE. Quick sneak peek of the outside. Now let's head on inside. We've got 120 pounds of propane out here, big storage. We've got rectangular dual pane frameless windows on this slide here. The frameless dual panes are an option on the North Point. So are the slide toppers, and so is body paint for this year. But this one that we're talking about right now does not have the full body paint. Let's get inside. We'll talk about the outside later. All right, here we are. The moment you walk in, you're greeted with sort of a new feeling. Well, yeah, this is 102 inches wide now, just like the Pinnacle. And this floor plan being all new, it is open. It is amazing. I love it. We'll start in the kitchen. First off, we've got this brand new sink. You've got a little cup washer, soap dispenser, temp control for this and for produce rinser thing. There's a few attachments like a cutting board and a place to put your produce. So, big sink, a huge pantry over here. Hey, look, it's me. Sorry, folks. Evan not included with purchase. You do get to hang out with me for a little bit though. And you get my phone number. Over in this one, we've got plugs. So if you take the shelves out and you decide you want to hang up your stick vacuum or you just want to charge it, you can do that right in there. Pretty cool. That goes all the way down to the floor. And then there's another shelf up top. You can see the barreled roof compared to the cabinetry there. Super barreled roof. Magnum truss roof, so it's fully walkable. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. That's outside. We're talking about the inside. On the inside, tongue and groove plywood floor and no in-floor heat registers. All the heat registers have been moved. They are like tucked under the island or tucked up against a wall. Wherever they are, they're not in the floor anymore. So it's just tongue and groove plywood floor. We've got this half wall between the living room and the kitchen. Humongous drawers, 75-pound drawer slides, and they are dovetailed. Glossy finish, really nice drawers. Magnetic latches. Solid surface counter. Little plug here. Accent light switch. Then we've got GE profile appliances, so we've got the oven, and the microwave, convection microwave with a built-in air fryer. Soft close drawers in the kitchen here. More dovetail joints. Really nice silverware drawer. And those are soft close. Cutting board there. Now, why would there be a hole in it? Oh wait, because your garbage is right underneath, so you can scrape your scraps straight into the trash. Pretty handy. Some more storage here. Anyway, you get the gist. There's a ton of storage in here. And this oven, you could put a turkey in there, for sure. Not one that's big enough to feed all the people that this could possibly seat, but you could put a turkey in the oven. Up above this microwave, got a little spot where you can put your spices. More storage. Soft close cabinets in the kitchen as well as drawers. Cool. Tons of counter space beside the stove, so one side isn't pressed up against a wall where your pot handles are going to hit it and then you can only use 2 burners. You can actually use all the burners here because there's enough space between them. Nice window there that does open so you can get some airflow going. And then we've got a residential fridge. You can option it with a 12-volt fridge if you want. Moving out of the kitchen, we've got your dinette. This table pulls right on out. And then you've got seating for 4. Where the heck are the other chairs? They're up there in the closet, probably. Sometimes they're under the bed. I don't want to lie to you. And just like that, goes back in. Got some storage, some cabinets here behind the chairs. Also, blackout roller shades. We got a wireless charger, but also pulls up, and it's a power tower with household outlets, USB and USB-C for you to charge your devices. Next to your dinette, we've got a desk. It's BYOC, bring your own chair, because these chairs are just a little bit too short. Solid surface. We've got this sort of thing that makes it like L-shaped. I really don't get this. They did this in the Pinnacle 38 FBRK as well. I don't really understand it, but I'm guessing that's what it's supposed to do. Someone tell me in the comments below, please. Little storage underneath. Let's see, soft close? That's soft close too. Little like separated storage here. And that is your desk. Now look at how many windows are in this slide. First off, this slide is freaking huge. Oh my gosh. We're gonna move into your living room now. We've got recliners, which are, as our friend Josh would say, cuddle compliant. Or you can pull your armrest down. You got cup holders, you got charging ports, everything you need right here. You even have tables. Those pop out and you can stick them right in there for travel. Then these are electric recliners. And check this out. Let me hit this button. They've got accent lighting that's individually controlled. Crazy. They're also heated and massaging. Nothing but the best for you North Point customers. This is not leather, no vinyl, no leatherette. You shouldn't see any sort of sun damage or anything like that over the years, especially with how dark the tint is on these windows. That helps a ton. Over are the days of flaky vinyl leatherette. Thank goodness. Now, before we get to your entertainment center, we'll talk about this enormous couch. Because are you kidding me? You could have, like seriously, this is a party floor plan and it's awesome. I love it. As you can tell, super excited. These two are recliners. They move and they go there in transport. And then the rest of this is in that slide. So this is a tri-fold sofa. This pulls out into a bed for extra sleeping space. Then you've got like the recliners. Someone could sleep there, I guess. Probably not comfortable between, well, actually, there's not really any hard bits or drops or anything. You probably could have somebody sleep there. Then you've got that, and then you've got these. So plenty of sleeping space. Tri-fold sofa pulls out into a bed. Tons of windows in that slide. Cup holders on both ends, but there's no like middle cup holder, and that's what really bothers me about the tri-fold. Like you have these cup holders in the corner here, but if you're sitting like here and someone's sitting there, you don't have a place to put your cup because this middle piece doesn't fold down because it's a tri-fold sofa. I wish they would figure out a way to give us cup holders there. Now there's also a ton of room in here, so you could put like a coffee table there, which would be super cool because then it makes it into a very homey living room. Got a big old entertainment center. Wait, there's also a fan. Really cool looking fan. And it's remote controlled. Very fancy. Ton of storage in this entertainment area. And you might be wondering, where the heck is the entertainment? Well, don't worry about it. We'll get to that in a second. Settle down. I ran into a table. Tons of storage. Check it out. Wow. Let's see, are these gonna slam? Yes, they are. Okay, hold on to these cabinets when you put them down because they will slam. You can see the springs there holding them up. Also pull them down. So hold on to them. Soft close cabinet doors on the side here. Now you might be able to hear this slight hum in the background. Probably not, unless you're listening really closely. That's because we have the Whisper Quiet air conditioner on. There's the intakes. The unit is actually above the roof insulation, so it's a lot quieter, and then it's all ducted. We got a fireplace here. There is your furnace vent. Wow, struggling today. JBL soundbar. We also have JBL speakers outside. That's pretty cool, and it's all Bluetooth. You can connect through the system out there or through here and just run it all off your phone. Then we've got your fireplace, puts out 5,000 BTU of heat almost. It's like 4777, I think. Yeah, what does that say here? 4777. So almost 5,000 BTU. To take the chill off in the mornings when you're sitting here having coffee with your guests, kids, your family. A little more storage on both sides. And, bum, ba, da, bum, we got a televator. Up comes the TV from the televator. This is 65 inches. It takes a minute. We'll get there eventually. 4K, it's a smart TV. Oh, close all the blackout shades. and you can watch the football game with all your friends, all from this amazing living room. Now, let's get to the sleeping space. I can hear you guys clickety-clacking on your keyboard already. There's no half bath. I know there's no half bath. I'm sorry, I didn't make the floor plan. Anyway, let's get to the bedroom and the bathroom. I almost forgot. There is central vac. So that little plate on the left is where your hose goes. And then there's a sweep plate. So you kick that up, sweep your dust into there. Boom, it gets vacuumed up. There's also a little closet here and control center that I'm gonna show you. Try not to get too close. Control center, controller for the fan. It's remote controlled. Then we've got your BM Pro, your main control system. You can do it all from your phone as well. Down here, entryway closet. Soft close there too. Soft close on the glass one even. And up here we've got another big cabinet. And these are all hardwood doors, glued and screwed styles. And the cabinets are all done in-house. Same with the drawers. Let's go to the bathroom. Not literally. Also literally. Anyway, this is the bathroom. Hey, it's me again. Like I said before, not included with purchase. I'm sorry. Medicine cabinet. Nice mirror, it's backlit. We've also got wallboard in the bathrooms now. Makes it look really nice in here. Porcelain sink, believe it or not. And we've got a porcelain foot flush toilet. 3 drawers, soft close, cabinet with your toilet paper roll holder. In your shower, we've got a reinforced floor, plywood floor, a teak seat. Lift that up out of the way. You're just gonna have a regular shower, or you put it down, whoopsie, put it down nicer than that. Now you can pretend you're in a sauna. Got a couple hooks for some towels or robes, and some shelves here. Very cool. Here is the previously mentioned porcelain foot flush toilet. And then we've got a pocket door with a travel latch right here. Nice window for some light walking up. Solid wood door. And we've got a king mattress. Super comfy, on a slide. We got little tables for you to store drinks on or put your phone on. We got USB on both sides. You also have control for all your exterior and interior lights, all the main ones, right here. Opening windows above and beside the bed on both sides. And whack load of storage underneath. Plywood base for your bed. I'm going to try and put it down gently. There we go. And then over there on the wall, we've got a security camera switch. That's because this is prepped for the 360-degree security system. That's the side cameras, the backup camera, and the camera above the door. Across from the bed, we've got a TV and a little dresser. Nice big window. You might have noticed we've got another intake for a second Whisper Quiet air conditioning system. This unit also was optioned with the third, which goes in the middle. And we've got a little secret hidden storage here for whatever you want. Secret stuff, I guess. I'm not going to tell you. It's secret. An intruder remover, maybe. And then we've got 2 drawers that are exactly the same. I wish they had just made it 4 drawers, but then you would have less space, I guess. I just don't like the way that these drawers wobble when you open them with one hand. Accent lighting under the dresser. Over here, washer dryer prep. There are those chairs. See, I told you they would be in the closet. Should have just listened. So you got your plugs there, you got your vent location, or you can just like hang stuff. There's another rod right here in between the chairs. And there are some shelves back there. That's a motion light as well. Over here, we've got the rest of your wardrobe. Loads of drawers right there. And, oh, this big one in the middle, which is probably your laundry basket. Close that up. See, motion light. Hanging rod, little storage space. In the pinnacles, this is cedar lined. In the north point, it is not. We got inverter prepped outlet here, as well as beside the bed. and a few other ones throughout the unit. USB-C and USB right there. And this cool mirrored wardrobe door setup. Up here, we've got your WineGuard 5G Wi-Fi gateway setup. So you can basically install a SIM card, have a cell plan, and have Wi-Fi through that router. And then we've got AC vents in here. Now the main AC is connected to this. I can feel it. It's so cool. And that's really nice because you can run that one at night, the main AC. It'll pump cool air up into here, but it'll be so quiet. Your sleep is going to be fantastic. Alrighty, y'all, that's it for the inside. Let's get to the outside. So we've got two big awnings with LED strips. Got a MoRide pin box. It's got a little play in it, so it takes kind of the chucking and the hitching off your truck. Makes it feel a lot smoother. Got generator prep, so that's 120 pounds of propane, plus all the pre-wiring is there. We've got a hydraulic 6-point auto level system. There's one of your 40 pounders. There's two more on the other side for 120 pounds. This one has been optioned with the outside TV. You can see your central vac and your JBL sound system control there. We've also got a little drop down for you to run cables or whatever through. Pull out TV. It does come all the way out, and you can kind of point it where you want. Got your cold water spray port here. There's a hot and cold for the outdoor shower on the other side. JBL speakers, and this is a drop frame as well. So it's 102 inches wide. We've got a front drop frame, and it's fully enclosed and heated. Big Uniroyal tires, MoRide CRE suspension, Dexter axles, all of the Jayco handling system. At the back here, we've got your J port, where you could put a table and a griddle. Those are optional. And we've got a squared window in the rear here. Backup camera prep. Fully walkable roof. We've got a receiver back here, so you can tow 3,000 pounds or hold up 300 pounds. Electrical hookup there. This one's been optioned with the slide toppers. That is optional though, not standard. And like I said before, you can get this with paint from the factory. This one does not have it. In this compartment here, we've got your Nautilus water system, all your pulls, auto level control, everything right there. And then over here, we've got your inverter, because this has 400 watts of solar on the roof and an 1800 watt inverter built in. Then we've got your 3-stage Nuvo H2O water filtration system for all of your fresh water. And the very last thing, the last two things here, your other 40-pound propane tanks, your battery disconnect, and the Dexter tow assist.